Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best TB12 diet is probably one of the most talked about diets in the sports world, and for good reason. Tom Brady's impressive career longevity is often attributed to his strict regimen, which focuses on whole, unprocessed foods, mindful eating, and hydration. This diet emphasizes nutrient-dense choices, avoiding inflammatory foods, and prioritizing recovery through nutrition. We'll break down the key components of the TB12 method, exploring its benefits, potential drawbacks, and whether it's a sustainable approach for the average person. Number 5. Broken Joint Healing Guide. Are you struggling with painful joints? This guide provides a science-based approach to understanding and overcoming your pain. Let's explore how to heal and rebuild your body. It explains the science behind joint pain and how the body's natural healing processes work. Learn about the factors that contribute to joint problems and how to address them effectively. It's not just about healing, it's about preventing future problems. Discover practical strategies to protect your joints and maintain long-term health. This guide offers a comprehensive plan to rebuild strength and resilience. Learn how to strengthen your body and reduce the risk of future injuries. It combines scientific knowledge with practical advice to help you take control of your joint health. Start your journey to a healthier, pain-free life today. Hear from others who have successfully used these methods to overcome joint pain and improve their quality of life. Their experiences will inspire you. What we like. It provides a science-based approach to joint pain. If you're focused on injury prevention and rebuilding your body, this is the perfect choice. This guide helps you heal and strengthen your body from the inside out. What people say. Through explanations with great examples. Well written. The basic stretches are an invaluable help for me to overcome much of my muscle discomfort. My flexibility as an adult is also improving. My body definitely feels happier, stronger, more balanced, and more capable in spite of injuries over the years. Many of these exercises I've never seen before. I like the variety. Number 4. Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Beginners. Are you ready to take control of your health? This program provides a simple, yet effective way to reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. It's a natural bodily response, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. This plan helps you manage it through diet. We've created a no-stress meal plan filled with delicious and easy-to-prepare recipes. It's designed to fit into your busy life. Discover a variety of flavorful recipes that are both anti-inflammatory and satisfying. You'll find it easy to stick to this plan. Experience the positive impact on your overall well-being. It's a journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's simple to begin. Start with the meal plan and gradually incorporate the recipes into your daily routine. What we like. It offers a beginner-friendly, stress-free approach to anti-inflammatory eating. If you're looking for simple recipes and an immune system boost, this is your go-to guide. It makes healthy eating manageable for even the busiest individuals. What people say. This is the first cookbook that I've purchased that I really love. As of this writing, I've made 18 of these recipes so far that are delicious. And some that I've already repeated. I love the fact that meat recipes are included. It's not just for vegetarians or vegans. Most of the meat recipes are for fish and chicken, with a few for pork tenderloin, 1 ground beef and 1 steak. Also, almost every recipe is gluten-free. And those that are not, have a tip to make them gluten-free. Another great feature is that all of these recipes are easy, and except for spices, have only 5 easy-to-find ingredients. No fancy expensive ingredients to buy. I like that the book gives you a 2-week meal plan with a shopping list and an optional weekly prep guide. It's very well laid out and easy to follow. This is a wonderful book and a great introduction to this type of eating. It has very helpful lists on the types of foods, etc., that are recommended as well as the ones to avoid. It also has useful tips like which fruits and veggies you should always buy organic and why. Number 3. Anti-Inflammatory Diet Plan. Let's explore the impact of inflammation on your body and how it affects your overall health. This plan will help you understand and manage it effectively. This week focuses on cleansing and preparing your body for the dietary changes ahead. We'll start with simple recipes and easy-to-follow guidelines. Discover delicious recipes packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients. You'll start to feel the positive effects on your immune system. This week builds on the previous weeks, introducing more variety and advanced recipes. It's all about sustainable healthy eating habits. Now you'll learn how to maintain your progress and integrate these healthy habits into your lifestyle. It's about long-term wellness, not just a quick fix. This plan provides you with detailed meal plans and delicious recipes to make it easy to follow. You'll find it simple to incorporate these changes into your daily life. What we like. It provides structured meal plans for a month to support your immune system. If you need a comprehensive plan for better overall health, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a guided approach to anti-inflammatory eating. What people say. It has lots of good interesting recipes. The recipes included are to help them with inflammation and food sensitivities. This book includes recipes with the right foods to help with these issues. What I loved most about this book is that it provided information on foods that can cause inflammation and foods that can help you to avoid inflammation. I like that the recipes are basic and very easy to follow. The recipes themselves are lovely, all filled with whole foods and big flavors. We tried several and were pleased with them. We especially enjoyed the spice-rubbed chicken and the roasted broccoli and cashews. Certain recipes include sensitivity alerts for various concerns. Number 2. Anti-Inflammatory Diet Plan. Are you ready to take control of your health? This plan provides simple, delicious meals to reduce inflammation and boost your well-being. Let's start with the first week. It's packed with easy-to-follow recipes and a shopping list to make meal prep a breeze. Week 2 brings a fresh set of delicious, anti-inflammatory recipes. You'll feel energized and healthier with every bite. This plan includes over 80 recipes, ensuring variety and excitement throughout your healing journey. There's something for everyone. This recipe is a delicious and healthy example of what you can expect. It's packed with nutrients to fight inflammation. It's not just about the food, it's about building healthy habits. This plan guides you towards a sustainable lifestyle. Monitor your journey and celebrate your successes. You'll feel the positive impact on your health and energy levels. What we like. It simplifies your anti-inflammatory journey with weekly meal prep plans. If you value convenience and efficiency in your healthy eating, this is ideal. It makes healthy eating easier by providing a variety of recipes and a structured plan. What people say. It's full of recipes that you can easily follow, easy to read, but in the same time this book is different. It's a guide that will help you to understand which food are and which food are not inflammatory. The step-by-step instructions for cooking everything is wonderful. The recipes are a little ingredient heavy, but the shopping lists are laid out so well that I didn't find this to be much of a deterrent. Each recipe is tagged as vegan and/or dairy, gluten, nightshade, nut, or soy-free, and includes nutritional info per serving. Number 1. Easy Anti-Inflammatory Diet. We all experience inflammation, but did you know that diet plays a crucial role? This program provides simple solutions to help you manage it naturally. Discover the 15 best foods to combat inflammation. They're delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. This isn't about complicated cooking. It's about quick, easy recipes that make healthy eating a breeze. This recipe is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, both powerful inflammation fighters. It's quick to prepare and incredibly tasty. Turmeric is a star ingredient in this vibrant dish. It's full of flavor and provides significant anti-inflammatory benefits. Start your day with a delicious and nutritious smoothie bursting with antioxidants. It's the perfect way to boost your anti-inflammatory intake. We'll guide you through simple meal planning strategies to ensure you consistently eat anti-inflammatory foods. It's a complete guide to understanding inflammation and how to manage it through dietary changes. It's about feeling your best. Take control of your health with this easy-to-follow plan. It's time to nourish your body and reduce inflammation naturally. What we like. It focuses on quick and easy recipes using the best anti-inflammatory foods. If you need fast, simple meals and want to focus on the most effective foods, this is the best option. It's perfect for those with busy schedules who still want to eat healthy. What people say. The recipes taste great, the smoothies are really great too. Can't stress enough how easy this book is to work with. It explains how I got into this mess and easy steps to get my body back. There's a list of what to avoid, and 15 foods you can easily add increase in your diet. Easy recipes, and delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.